Starting from this video, we're going to introduce how to use HIP to program multiple GPUs in one application. Let's first look at why we want to use multiple GPUs in one application. So today our databases are growing larger and larger. There are more and more data that requires our GPUs to process. And also, we need to model how real world works from our detailed simulations. Our simulations are getting larger and larger scale, and the simulation granularity is getting more and more detailed. So the computational requirement is growing, and we need more and more computing resources to process the data and run those large-scale simulations. And since GPUs have been processing data parallel workload, we can solve the problem by using more than one GPUs and improve the performance. On the other side, we're not only requiring more and more computing resources, we need more memory. For example, language models like GPT-3 is growing larger and larger. There are more and more parameters in the language model. As you can see from this figure, the number of parameters that are in these language models are growing exponentially over time. And the number of several hundreds billions of parameters is far more than what one GPU can handle. And for these reasons, modern servers are equipped with multiple GPUs. For example, on the figures on the right, this is a server with 8 AMD Instinct MI250 GPUs. By equipping 8 GPUs in one server, we can utilize all these 8 GPUs for one application. The huge computing throughput and the memory capacity can help us solve larger and larger problems. Sometimes, even these 8 GPUs may not be enough. Then we can combine multiple servers to solve one application and form a distributed computing application. And the purpose of this set of video is to teach you how to program HIP programs to be able to utilize multiple GPUs in one application. Starting from the next video, we're going to introduce how to use HIP library APIs.